Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install internal linking strategy using Link Whisper, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Ensure that you have the Link Whisper plugin installed and activated. Navigate to the Link Whisper options from the left-hand menu. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate the Recommendations tab on the interface. This area will show you suggested internal links for your content. Choose a post or page that you want to optimize for internal linking. Click on the Edit button for that specific post. Scroll down to the Link Whisper section below the content editor. Review the recommended links that Link Whisper suggests. Select the internal links that are most relevant to your content. You can customize the anchor text for each link if needed. Click the Insert Links button to add them to your post. After inserting, scroll up and update your post to save changes. Repeat this process for other posts or pages you want to optimize. To enhance overall site structure, consider using the reporting feature. This will give you insights into your site's internal linking strategy. Look for patterns in which posts are linked together frequently. Identify any pages that are orphaned or lack internal links. Use this information to create new links where necessary. Regularly monitor your internal linking strategy's effectiveness. Adjust your strategy based on the evolving content on your website. Remember to keep your internal links relevant to improve user experience. Internal linking can help distribute page authority across your site. Consider revisiting your older posts to update links as you add new content. With consistent effort, an effective internal linking strategy can boost SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.